Today, I want to talk to you about opening a joint account at Metro Bank. I know a lot of you have been asking about this, so I'm here to give you the lowdown. First things first, to open a joint account at Metro Bank, both account holders must visit a Metro Bank branch together. You'll need to bring valid identification, such as a passport or driver's license, as well as proof of address. When you're at the branch, a friendly member of the Metro Bank team will guide you through the process. They'll explain the different types of joint accounts available and help you choose the one that best suits your needs. It's important to have an open and honest discussion with your joint account holder about how you both plan to manage the account. This includes agreeing on how the account will be used, who will have access to the funds, and how you'll communicate about the account. Once you've provided all the necessary information and documents, the Metro Bank team will take care of the rest. You'll receive your joint account details and be ready to start managing your finances together.